Welcome back to my channel. I have got a very exciting day today. It is my book launch party, and I'm starting my day with a nice cup of coffee and now heading to OMNOM, which is a vegetarian restaurant which does sattvic food, so no onion, no garlic, and it's such a beautiful space. And these people have kindly agreed to host my book launch party. So I got there nice and early, and the head chef and myself started cooking the recipes from my book. So we started with these pepper pakoras, which are happen to be vegan as well, and they are super easy and delicious to prepare, and they are a great party snack. So I'm gonna have a few kind of snacks going around the party. So we have started preparing them nice and early, so they are all ready in time for the launch. Next up, I chopped up some cauliflower to roast and make a delicious roast cauliflower raita. This is one of my favorite recipes from the book. In fact, I've chosen few of my favorite recipes from the book. Next up is aloo vada. So I've got the cauliflower ready on the tray, heading towards the oven. This is such a simple but such a stunning recipe. The cauliflower is ready and roasted, and all these things are being prepared a little in advance, so they're going to be reheated before serving. Next up is palak mutia, which is a crispy, delicious spinach recipe, and I am here in the kitchen with the chef at OMNOM preparing the next delicious starter, which is the potato vada. So this is a really nice tempering that goes into this potato mix, and then this is also vegan. It's coated with gram flour and fried until crispy. So we made a few more dishes for the party, but I only filmed so much because I had to go and prepare the area for the party. I signed some book cards, and now this gorgeous open space is ready for my guests. We've got lots of nice book cover posters all around, and I have printed these lovely little menus of what the guests will be eating throughout the evening. So in case they want to know what they're eating, I might not be standing next to them. So just to make it easy, I've got them printed. They've also got my YouTube channel on in the background. The team has been amazing. I love the food at this restaurant, and I'm so excited to be hosting the book launch here. And starting the evening with Gusbourne wine. Now I chose this wine because I live in Kent, and this wine also is based in Kent. The vineyard is here, and it seemed just perfect to be starting the celebration with this Kent wine. Moving on to the other drink of the evening, which was Mirabeau, and these guys have been incredible because I celebrated my previous book launch with Mirabeau as well. They are my favorite summer drink, and my very first guests have arrived, and soon the room was full of people who I've met over the last few years, and it was just the loveliest atmosphere. Soon it was time for me to say a few words.
Everyone here, you might have to shout. Okay, all I'm going to do is introduce someone who needs no introduction, Chetna Makan, who we're all here for, who is celebrating tonight her 8th cookbook, and we are so incredibly proud to still be her publisher, and we cannot wait for you all to enjoy Easy Indian Vegetarian. So I'm going to hand over to Chetna, who's just going to say a couple of words, and then everyone's going to carry on drinking and eating.
Yes, yes. Just thank you so much to everyone for coming out. I know time is very precious these days, so I really, really appreciate you coming out to support this book. And I know it's a book, but every time it doesn't get easier, and it doesn't, like, you know, my stomach was churning all day today. It just doesn't get any easier. I'm as nervous as I was with Cardamom Trail. But I'm so grateful, first of all, to Octopus. There are some of lovely people from Octopus, Leanne, Juliet, and Eleanor, who is not with Octopus right now, but she started it all. So thank you so much. And there are some people who are missing, like our lovely photographer, and the stylist is not here either. But there are so many people I have to thank, but I'm not going to bore you. But this book wouldn't have been possible without the generosity of Indian women and people, because they let me into their kitchens, a stranger who contacted them on social media, who didn't know who I was. And I've always been so proud of my Indian food and Indian culture, but this book has made me realize that it really is the best. You know, I learned so much, and every kitchen I went to, which I've shared in here, every kitchen I went to could be a cookery school in itself, because they were all so incredibly talented and they didn't know it. And you know, amazing cooks. So I'm very grateful for them to share their knowledge with me and just part their love. So this is not just full of my love, but everyone else who has contributed to it. Thank you so much. Also want to thank the lovely wine all the way from Kent, Gusbourne, and Mirabeau, who've supported me before and who supported me today as well. But this wouldn't be possible without OMNOM. Thank you so much. The guys here are incredible, and they are vegetarian restaurants, so it seemed appropriate to have this launch here in a vegetarian restaurant. That's it really. I couldn't do this without my friends who are here from all over, and my crazy kids who are on duty tonight. But yeah, my husband, who is somewhere in a yellow shirt matching me. Thank you so much. Seriously, I love you guys so much. And there are books here for anyone who would like to buy a copy. And thank you once again for coming. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
I haven't stopped smiling the whole evening. It has been incredible. I have felt so much love and warmth in this room today evening that I just felt so grateful and thankful. So many people coming out to support the book and my work has been incredible. And when it comes to support, I also want to thank you guys, the YouTube family, for always being here and showing your love and support. Hope you will continue to watch my channel. I'll be back with another new recipe very soon, so don't forget to subscribe.